What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna make a another paper airplane. I don't know if you know this, but we're just gonna make anything. I don't know what we're gonna make, but we're just gonna make something. I don't know if you can see me because I'm right here. Right there. So right here. First, gonna make like this. Put my paper like this. Then fold it first. Definitely fold this. So let's fold that. I don't know if you can see the paper or not, but this could be folded and this could be unfolded. Okay. Now take the top edge, the two top edge, and put it in the middle crease. Right there. Then you gotta do it another fold, the same thing, and it makes your airplane. It makes your airplane a little bit of another one. This one. So put it right there. Get another one right over here. I think you can see it. Yes, I think you can see it. Right there. Again, it's gonna be like this. Then fold it again and make your airplane a little bit smaller and thinner and a little bit thicker. Right there. And I don't think this can fly. I don't know. I just made it up. I don't know if it just that one. I just make it. So it's like the same process of an airplane, but just another fold, like another fold, like this, right there. Then you're gonna fold it up to make the wings, like this. Don't know if you can see it. I fold it like this. Just makes your airplane a little bit thicker, a little bit thinner, and yes, but like a little bit smaller, like this. So I don't know if someone made this, but I don't know what the name. If someone made it, if someone made this airplane, comment down below if you know the name. And if you don't know the name, I'm just gonna call it, because I don't know the name, I'm gonna call it just a normal airplane. So let's call it the airplane. Like, let's call it a rocket airplane. I don't know if someone took that. Oh, I'm just gonna call it the straight skinny plane. Straight skinny plane. So let's see right here. Hi. Right there. That's my process right there to make my tablet a little bit of a, I don't know if you can see it like there. So I took this, then take this, and that's the thing. where we can. And there's, so let's see how it flies. Or let's see how it goes. So right here, this is called the straight skinny airplane, and we're just gonna fly it. So let's go. Oh, it's 5 minutes. So this is it. Right there. So let's see it. Yeah, a little bit cool. A little bit cool. It's cool, but I don't know if it can fly that far. But I just throw it a little bit. So if you see like this, if you see like that, comment down below if you see that goes like that. So really cool. But I'm gonna make some designs. So we have this. Just gonna rip this. Like this. Like that. And right there. Make like this. Yes, like thing. So let's see now. I think if you fly it, the air goes right here, and it starts pushing it, that it makes like a thing. So I'm gonna make another video of how to make another airplane, but let's test this out with these. Sorry about my dad. He is a little bit of a singer, but not popular. Oh, that's a good one. It gives grace. It gives grace. So that's a good one. So as you guys know, if you read my description, my channel, I make 2 or more videos. But it says 2 to 4 videos, but I'm just gonna make 2 or more videos. Okay, so I'm gonna call the title, How to Make This Straight Skinny Airplane. I just make that up, so I just make it up. So I don't know if you saw the steps, but I'm gonna tell you. So first, fold it in half and unfold it. Then take the 2 top edge to go and take that to go to a middle crease. Then take do it 3 times. Do it 3 times. So fold it like, see, this is how I fold it. Like this. So I fold it like this. Okay. Fold it like this. Yeah, fold it again. There. Fold it again. And I make like this. And fold it again. Fold it again. Like this. And I folded it. Folded it another one time. So that you can make the wings. Like this. Like there. And you can make any designs. So I make like this design, like that. And I make another designs where there's a little bit common. You could do the fold or the roll. I like the fold like this, like that. But this one, I want it to be like this. So this is my first video of the week. I'm gonna post another video today after this. Okay, after this video. After you watch this video, I'm gonna make another video. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, like this video, turn on notifications, and remember, and don't forget to remember, be yourself. Peace!